All right, I just want to do a quick short video on my GP1200. I had an issue and it's fixed now. It wouldn't start, no display, no nothing. And I'm like, hey, what did I do wrong? I'm pretty sure, look at this, I've even got my wiring box back out, checking all my wiring. Oh, I got a bad solenoid. I could jump the solenoid across these two terminals and get it to start over, but it wouldn't do anything. So, what was wrong with it? Well, apparently these things lose their, I don't know what you want to call it, this display. It was just on showing everything and beeping at me and everything. And so what you have to do to fix it is come down here, disconnect this one blue wire, and I think a lot of different Yamahas have got this thing. Disconnect this for a few seconds from the, should have got a stand, but disconnect that, reconnect it, go up here, press this button. See, then it asks for the code, and the code on this one is ABCA. ABCA. Man, it's ready to go. And then you've got your, well, it'll all come back after that. Okay? ABCA, I guess that's the default code. I entered AAAA, that didn't work. BBB, that didn't work. So, ABCA. And it allowed it to turn over again. So now, let me put all this back together and see if I can get this thing started.